Today, the Federal Reserve has decided to maintain the interest rates where they are. Let's look at the impact this is having on the stock market. Tesla is up $4.82, 2.4%, closed at 205.66. Post-market, we seem to be up by $1.42. Let's take a look at this on the chart. So we have a nice green candle today. Look at the wick here at the bottom. So we came down and we're pushed back up. And we have just broken today 204.47. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart to understand a little bit more how this happened. First hour of the day was down, second hour was down, then went sideways. And then guess what? From 2:30 to 3:30, we have a move up right here. And then also for the last hour, we still have a green candle right here. Right now, we are right smack on our downward resistance. So, the pattern has not changed. This is what this means. The pattern has not yet changed. This is a downward pattern that we have here. This is a short-term pattern. We are on the 1 hour chart. The patterns don't last as long, obviously. So the pattern still has not been broken on the 1 hour chart. But our indicators, we have stochastic over 60. This is something that we like to see. We have DMI, we have RSI, we had the MACD breakover bullish not too long ago. If we break this downward resistance, then we are going to look for a break of horizontal resistance next. That horizontal resistance will be this one right here at 212.28. So if we go back above 212.28, this is going to be a buy. If we break the downward resistance, the horizontal downward resistance right here tomorrow on the first hour, you can still get in. It's just a little bit more risky because we could be caving into that 212.28, but still it could be a potential $600 per option of money right there. So this is not looking too bad. In terms of the daily chart, we are not yet ready. The daily chart is longer to turn around, obviously. We would have to break this downward resistance right here in order to consider that the trend has changed. So just keep this in mind. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX has been coming down. So VIX is down 1.27, 7% down, closed at 1686. So we have a big move down. And now we are stopping on our support at 1658. Let's see what happens for the rest of the week. If we continue going down like this, I think that the decision by the Fed to hold off the increase of the interest rates is going to help. So maybe we could be seeing a move back up on pretty much all of our indices and also stocks. And US bonds are taking a drop right here. We are having a drop in the bonds at the same time. All of these things are convening to raise the stock market higher. Let's take a look at some EV stocks to see how they fared. So Rivian is down 0.55. So a little bit of a move up, even though we have a red candle. We still made a higher low, but it's not that big of a move. We have for Rivian the earnings call not too far away. So maybe this is holding any move for now. XPeng, 7% up for XPeng. We are pretty much back into our bullish channel that we quit yesterday. And stochastic is climbing higher and higher. It's not yet there. It is at 45. It's not 60 yet. We still have to break 1557 right here. And then when we do so, then yes, there's no stochastic, but if you want to take a little bit of risk, then maybe you can enter after that break at 1557. At least for a little bit of a swing, because we have a downward resistance right here, which coincides to this horizontal resistance at 1666. So maybe you can catch a little bit of a swing here and maybe go on the 1 hour chart to really catch it a little bit better. NIO up 2%, but no change in patterns on the daily chart. Apple, good day for Apple, up 1.87. We stopped right above 173.82, right above it. So we could be seeing a buy signal very soon for Apple. We have an earnings call tomorrow. This is going to be very telling. So I would almost hold off for what is going to happen tomorrow to be safe. If you want to chance it, you can always chance it. You don't need me to chance something. ARM still into its downward channel. Nothing to see here. Palantir has rebounded at 14.41 and has also touched support at 15 bucks. Is Palantir going to do another low and start going back up? Nobody knows. We'll see what happens. So far on the daily chart, there's no signals yet. NVIDIA, nice move up also, up 3.79%. So after all, this candle right here was very iffy, the one that we got yesterday. This had broken 397.59 during the day. But now with this nice move up right here, we could be retesting 440.51 very soon. And stochastic is climbing quite well at 36. So maybe we are going to have a little bit of a buy on this one. Let's look at our indices. So indices are moving higher and higher. Still no stochastic, but maybe this is going to get there soon. S&P 500, same thing. Nice day also. NASDAQ, a nice rebound, up 0.13%, but still into a downward channel. It's still not yet the time to buy on the daily chart. Physical gold is maintaining itself quite well, up 0.06%, above 1541. Silver, green day, up 0.26%. We have stochastic on silver. So we could be getting some move at some point. We still need to break $8 to be really sure. And Bitcoin, after having stabilized a little bit for the past week now, it seems like it wants to go higher, up almost 2%. Look at stochastic on this one, 97. That's a big stochastic. This is a strong move. Ripple doing very well, up 1.66%. Look at this perfection right here. It's following perfectly our resistance line right here. If it's stronger, it's going to break it, but this resistance could slow it down a little bit. And also, as I said, the Nouveau Monde graphite doing well, 2.8% today. That's 7 cents. After this little bit of a break, ahead of stochastic over 60, but sometimes we have to, we can fudge the rules a little bit because the stochastic here has not happened yet, most likely because of this big move up and down. This is something that can mess up our indicators a little bit. So in those cases, it's okay to cheat a little bit. Nice day today. We could be having a move up for the rest of the week. Let's see what the rest of the week has in store for us. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.